Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Paul Sambo. In this video, I'm going to share 5 important ideas that will make your new YouTube channel to explode. Stay to the end so that you can learn this channel idea. The number one idea is movie reviews. So you can start a YouTube channel by reviewing movies, different movies. So there is any need, of course. The majority do love movies. So if you specialize on this niche, you are going to get so many views and easy to build an audience. Now, let me give you an example. A good example is this movie reviewer and the game. Also, tend to review games. It's called Chris Stackman, this channel. As you can see, up to this moment, he has already generated over 1 million subscribers. Why? Because majority do love movies. Now, if I scroll down here, let me show you the number of views that he has already got up to this moment. As you can see, he has got it's almost 600 million views up to this moment. Let us check some of the videos that he has uploaded. This one, 3.3 million views. This one, 2.6 million views. This one, 2.5 million views. So he gets a lot of views. So you can start a YouTube channel by just reviewing different movies that people will be interested to watch your channel or your videos. Now let us check how much does he make just by reviewing movies. If we go to Social Bread, you'll find that he just generates almost 36.3K per month. And remember, this is just an estimate, and usually can be even 3 times of this amount that we see here. It can be even 3 times, or sometimes even 2 times the amount that we see here. This is just an estimate. Usually tend to be more than this. And how much does he make per year? Year earnings, you can see he makes 435.3K per year. A man called Jeremy. So this also gets a lot of views. Let us check some of his videos so that we can verify whether our niche that we want to select is a good niche or not. So if we check, let us sort these videos by the most popular ones. And you may find that he just uploaded just a year ago and has got almost 3 million views, as you can see here. Star Wars, he just reviewed 1 year ago and has got almost 3 million views. This one, Avengers, has got 2.3 million views just 1 year ago. This one, 2.2 million views. This one, 2.1 million views. This one, 2 million views. So he gets a lot of views. Now let us check how much does he make on Social Bread. So if we go on Social Bread, you see the estimated monthly earning is 22.3K per month. As I told you that this is just an estimate. So it can be 2 times this amount that we see here. And per year, he gets 267.8K. So can it be 2 times of this amount that we see here, because the estimates tend to be higher than what we see here. So the second idea is to start news channel. News channel tend to get a lot of attention. Why? Because people locally and globally wants to get what's going on. So people are interested to get different news, different information, what is going on locally and globally. So if you specialize on this niche, you are going to get a lot of views and you are going to grow fast. And this among of the niches or ideas that will help your channel to grow fast, because people are interested in this always, whether they like you or not, but they will be interested with your information that you post here. Now, a good example of the channel that is also doing very well is this channel. And if you see, this channel up to this moment has got over 4.7 million subscribers. 4.7 million subscribers. These are a lot of subscribers. Why? Because people are interested with current news. Now let us check the views that has got up to this moment. This channel has got over 400 million views up to this moment. So he has generated a lot of views and money. Now let us check some of the videos that he posted so that we can get inspiration to see whether they get views. Let us check the most popular ones. If you check the most popular videos here, you find that in just this video just posted 8 months ago, and has got almost 7 million, so 6.9 million views. This one 6.6 million views. This one 5.9 million views. This one 5.8 million views. This one 5 million views. So he gets a lot of views. Now let us check how much this channel generates per month and per year. If we go on Social Blade, we'll find that this channel generates 75.9K US dollars per month. This is just monthly earnings, and usually just the estimates that is shown here tend to be more than what is written here. So can it be 2 times or even 3 times what is written here? So it gets a lot of money, and year earnings is 900,000, so almost 1 million US dollars per year, and it can be more than this because this is just estimates. So you can see this idea also is very good idea. Also is big. Why? Because it's easier to get attention, whether people they like you or not, because what the interest is just the information, to know what is going on locally and globally. Another good idea to start a YouTube channel is music reviews. Music reviews also has a lot of views. This kind of channels tend to get a lot of views and audience. Let us check this one as an example. It's called the Needle Drop. These are just reviewing music. So up to this moment, this channel has got over 2.3 million subscribers up to this moment. So you can check it here. 2.3 million subscribers. So it's a lot. This means that there is a demand on this kind of idea or niche. Now let us check the views that this channel has got up to this moment. Almost 700 million views. So they have a lot of views. Now let us check some of the videos that got a lot of views. If we search by popular videos here, you'll get an idea that this niche also has so many views. You can see here has 4.7 million, this 3 million, this 3 million, this 3 million views, this 2.9 million views. So they get a lot of views, as you can see. Most of the videos here are over 1 million views. Now, how much does he make, or this channel make per month and per year? So if we go on Social Blade, we can check here, the monthly estimates is usually 38.9K monthly earnings, so it can be more than this because just estimation. This one is 400,000, from over 400,000. Number 4 idea, you can start a vlogging channel. You can start a vlogging channel. Among of the channels that can inspire you and get inspiration, this channel is called Wodemaya. He started from humble beginnings. Now he's making a lot of money just by vlogging, traveling and vlogging. Let me show you the number of views that he gets. If we check here, you'll find that up to this moment, he has got over 100 million views. 100 million views is a lot. So these kind of channels tend to get a lot of views. So if you record different destinations, you can travel to different countries and record your own experience and the things that you find in those countries. People are interested to know different places because not everyone can afford to travel all over the world. So you can help us, you can help people to explore different destinations around the world. So that's what the Maya capitalizes. If we check some of the videos, popular videos here, you can see This one has got almost 3 million views. This one 2.3 million views. This one 1.9 million views. This one 1.8 million views. This one 1.6 million views. Now let us check how much does he make per month and per year. If you go on Social Bread, you'll find that it makes 16K per month. So can it be 2 times this? Can it be even 3 times? Because just estimates. And per year, he makes 191.9K. This just estimates, and maybe 2 times this amount that we see here. So he makes a lot of money. Another channel idea is animations. So if you know how to make animations, and if you don't know how to make animations, you can hire people on different platforms, for example, Upwork or on Fiverr, so that they can make animated videos and upload on your YouTube channel. These kind of videos get a lot of attention here on YouTube. We can verify by using this kind of channel that I can show as an example. It's called Jaden Animations. Up to this moment, this channel has got 9.5 million subscribers. So almost 10 million subscribers up to this moment. This is a lot of subscribers. So this means that this channel makes millions and millions of money. And why? Because they have attention, they have audience. Now let us check the number of views that they have got in total up to this moment. If we check, this channel has got over 1 million point 5, 1 billion point 5 views. So they have created not only wealth, but it's unbelievable what we see here. Now, let us check some of the videos so that you can get an inspiration. And if we sort by popular videos, you can check how many views do they get per average video. You can see this video is 17 minutes, almost 18 minutes, and has got 53 million views just 1 year. It's incredible. 53 million views just 1 year. So they have generated a lot of money. And you know what? This is a long video. It has almost 8 minutes. So they have got a lot of money. Because if you check another video here, has got 32 million views. This one 32 million views. Another one 30 million views. This one 29 million views. As you can see, most of the videos here have got over 10 million views. So this means that majority are interested with this kind of videos, animated videos. Gets a lot of attention here on YouTube. Now let us check the monthly and the yearly earnings, just estimates we can check here on Social Bread. If we go on Social Bread, we can find that they get 85.7K per month. This is just estimation. It can be even 2 times or 3 times of this amount that we see here. Also, per year, they get 1 million, up to 1 million. So that maybe you can double this amount because here just estimation. And usually the amount that is shown here on Social Bread tend to be more than what is seen here. So they get to over 1 million US dollars per year. This is a lot of money. So if you know how to make animated videos, or you have time to learn this kind of skill, or if you don't have time but you have money, you can hire people who are talented, can make animated videos on Fiverr, on Upwork. You'll get a lot of attention and a lot of views and a lot of money here on YouTube. Thank you for watching.